Hello, hello, my lovelies. So, a lot of people have been asking me how I rig my 3D models, and I decided I'd let you in on my little secret and show you a tutorial of how to do it. So, what I use is the platform called Kalidoface or 3D.Kalidoface, made by this wonderful person called Yee Machine. Like, please give him a shout out. This is amazing. It is a free browser-based program that lets you rig any VRM from head to toe. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you from A to Z how to get a 3D model into the platform and how to get everything set up for OBS. Now, I have this new model, my little Choco Devil Bunny, I made in VRoid Studio. And I am going to export her, as you would usually do. Export as VRM. If it lets you. It can take a while, especially since I'm recording. Alright, so everything still looks good, perfect. I'm not going to reduce anything. I'm just going to straight up publish. Yeah, I'm gonna call her Choco Demon. Fill out everything that's required, and click export. Save it wherever you want. It's doing the thing. And there you go. Perfect. Now, okay, everyone, welcome to Kalidoface. So, I'll give you a little tour of the browser app so you can see what it's all about. So, at the top here, you can see me waving, you can see my bones. If I were to go down, you will see my whole body. You get the gist. Okay. You can change your background here. So if you don't want to be bothered by adding backgrounds into OBS, you can straight up just use that. Yeah, now, the most important part, the model. So, there are already some pre-made models, some samples that you can use. You can also import your own. As I can see, I have quite a lot of them, and we're going to import another one. So upload VRM file, make sure it's still in VRM. So I got my Choco Demon. Give it a little minute. Give it time to load, and ta-da! Without even having to quit the app or reset anything, I am here. Perfect. Ta-da! Oh, the ears have floppiness. I didn't notice. Oh, this is great. Yeah, as you can see, the physics can be kind of wonky, especially with the breast area, but it's overall pretty damn good. And now, I'm going to show you how we take this wonderful person and add it into a OBS composition. Okay, now we are in OBS. As you can see, I created a basic template. And we are going to add our model on top of this background. I use this random picture as a background, but it could be anything. This is just for purposes, because we often want to overlay our model without, the green screen in the back. So I'm going to click on the plus and add a window capture. Now, I know this is a browser-based thing. You could add the browser thing, but personally, it doesn't work as well for me. So bam, I'm already there. Beautiful. I'm gonna untick capture cursor, you know, just in case. Okay, so here I am. But I don't want the rest of it. So click on filters. We're going to add two effects. The first one is going to be crop and pad. So you can add any numbers you want. I think 400 is good. Top, I usually remove like 70. Right, I'll remove about 100, maybe 200. And maybe 250. You know, you really gotta gauge. And I'm not touching the bottom. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to now add another effect, which is color key. Now we're going to key out our background. Bam! As you can see, it's already pretty good. If you wanted to use the blue screen instead of the green, if, for example, your character had green hair, you don't want to you don't want to key that out. You have different types right here. Okay, I still see, you know, on my dress, if I move around a little bit, I still see a little bit of green. So I can play with the similarity until it goes away. Now don't go too far because if I do, for me, for example, my eyes will completely be gone. So, you know, flirt with that line, see what's good for you. And there you go. So now you have this window that you can minimize, maximize, and everything. Perfect! There we are. So this is how you put your Kalidoface into OBS. Now, as great and easy of use as Kalidoface is, there are some little bugs and things to watch out for. So as you can see in the tracking up at the top here, it kind of has problem getting my hand in, and it makes me do some crazy gang signs once in a while. Now, there are two ways to beat this. One of them is to make sure your area is properly lit. Have some good lighting behind you and in front of you to make sure the AI can discern you from the background. Next, make sure you are a little bit further away from the camera. Here, if it can see your arms, it helps a lot with the glitching. Alright? It's a little bit hard because then your camera, I use my laptop camera, so I'm pretty far away from my own laptop. But you can gauge with it. Now, you can see also I'm kind of like moving back and forth. If you don't want that, I'm gonna give you a couple tricks. Now, in this wonderful option. Okay, first of all, if your character starts glitching out, first thing to do, click on Reset Character Tracking. Bam. There you go. Helps a lot. Now, if you don't want to bother having your arms go like everywhere, just click Face and Eye Tracking. What it will do is only track out your face, so no matter, right now I'm waving my arms in the air like I just don't care, but you can see it. So this is good if you just want to have some close-ups. Perfect. Now, I personally don't enable the wink because my eyes personally get like really wonky. Yeah, no. But again, if you have proper lighting, it helps a lot. Smell detection, it's in beta, but personally I feel like it works a lot. It's when you laugh and smell it, you go like... It works well. Room tracking. This is what will get you, you know, if you use your whole body, I suggest keeping the room tracking. Because if you walk around, it will give you that 3D dimension. But if you're just standing there, Don't bother, it's gonna just save a lot of AI power and it's just better overall. Like tracking, again, if you're like me, just sitting at your computer, don't turn it on. If you're doing some crazy dance stuff, turn it on. You can hide the camera panel. Just safety thing, please. If you're using Kalido as is to stream, always hide your webcam video. You know, safety. And if you don't want the camera panel, the one here, you can either close it with the X or toggle it on and off here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There are a ton more things you can do with Kalidoface. You can, for example, have other people do a conference call as VTubers. It's not perfect, but it's really fun and it's a very interesting way to have collabs. So look it out, and this is how I use Kalidoface. If you have any more questions, please write them in the comments. And don't forget to give a lot of love to the creator, Yi Machine. Alright, that was it for me. See you later, my lovelies. Kisses. Bye.